children. I am Manasa from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Today's subject is all about me. And the topic is things I can do. Children, here we can learn about things which all do with the help of our body parts like eyes, ears, nose, skin, hands and legs. So the first one is eyes. So what we can do with the help of our eyes, children? Yes, we can see. We can see with the help of our eyes. See children, here what the boy is doing? He is watching TV. Yes, we can see all the things which is around us with the help of our eyes. See children, here what it is? Colors. Yes, you can recognize all different colors with the help of our eyes. And you see the second one is, it is shapes. Yes, you can recognize different shapes of different objects with the help of our eyes. And also we can recognize the things which is big and small. See here, there is a big ball and also a small ball. Yes, so we can see things with the help of our eyes, like different appropriations in that, like colors, shapes and tall, short, big and small. Everything we can recognize with the help of our eyes. Yes, no children. So by seeing you can make out, no, like even if we take the pencil, you can recognize your pencil, and if you have any brother or sister, you can differentiate, no, like which is your pencil and which is your brother's by seeing the color or by seeing the shape. You can make it out, no children. So which helps us to recognize it? Yes, our eyes helps us to recognize it. The next one is here. It is here. So what our ear does, children? Yes, it helps us to hear the things, hear the sounds. We can hear the sounds with the help of our ear. Yes, children, see here what the birds are chirping. How the sound of the birds will be? It will be very low. So our ears can hear the sound which is very low. And also see here the man here, he is beating the drums. So we can hear that sound also. How that will be? It will be very high, no children. So our ears helps us to hear the sound which is very high, like the sound of an ambulance. The alarm will be very high, no children. So we can hear even that. And also while talking in the mobile, how the sound will be? It will be very low, and we can even hear that also. So our ear helps us to hear many different types of sounds, and the tone of the sound also, whether it is high tone or low tone, we can hear it very easily. So our ear helps us to hear the different types of sounds. Yes children, next it is nose. So our nose helps us to smell. See children, here they have differentiated with pleasant and unpleasant. Pleasant means here the boy, he is holding the roses in his hand, no. So how the smell of the rose will be? It will be very pleasant, like we feel happy smelling the rose. And see here in the unpleasant part, here the boy, how his face is. See, he is holding a socks in his hand. How the smell of the socks will be? It will be very like unpleasant, like irritating. No, the smell will be not so good to smell it. So see his face, the expression, how the boy is doing his face. So it is the unpleasant sound the boy is smelling there. And next see children, here the girl, she's smelling the flower. So it is called unpleasant or pleasant, children? Yes, it is pleasant, because the girl, she is smelling the flower. How the smell of the flowers will be? It will be very nice to smell. We feel happy by smelling that, no? Yes, and see the girl here, the other woman, she is closing her nose. Because why? Because she is smelling the garbage bin. How the dustbin smell will be? It will be not good to smell, no children? Suddenly if we go there, what we'll do? We'll close our nose, because all the dirty things we'll throw in the dustbin, like things which we don't want and which is spoiled, we'll throw in the dustbin. So that smell will be not good to smell. So our nose recognizes both the smells which is good, like pleasant, and which we don't like to smell, which is unpleasant. So our nose helps us to smell. Next, see children, mouth. So what does our mouth helps us? The mouth helps us to taste the food, because we'll be having tongue in our mouth. See children, here the boy, he is tasting the ice cream. So once after eating it only, no, we'll get to know whether it is sweet. Yes, how the taste of the ice cream will be then children? Yes, it will be sweet. See here the boy here, he is holding a chili in his hand, and see his facial expression, how it is. How we feel while eating the chili? Yes, it will be spicy. The chili will be spicy, no children? So how we will get to know? By seeing we'll get to know whether it is spicy or sweet? No, only by tasting it with the help of our tongue only we'll get to know the taste. See here children, the girl, she is holding medicines. How the taste of the medicines will be? It will be bitter. So all the different types of tastes also will get to know with the help of our tongue. That is with the help of our mouth. See children, now it is hand. See children, what we can do with the help of our hand? We can hold the things. Here, see in the first picture, the boy, he is holding a cat. And here, they are holding the apple. How they are holding? With the help of their hands. So what we'll do with the help of our hands? We can hold the things which we want. And see here children, in the first picture, they are showing the temperatures like hot or cold. So how we'll get to know whether the thing which is hot or cold? See, while drinking milk in the morning, you will drink the milk, no children? While drinking milk in the morning, how will you get to know whether it is hot or cold? First you will touch the glass, no? So you will touch the glass and feel it, whether the glass is hot or warm. So by touching we'll get to know whether it is hot or warm. So our hand helps us to get to know the thing which is very hot or cold. And the next one is here children, smooth and rough. So how we will get to know whether it is whether the surface is smooth or rough? By touching it, no? By touching the surface we'll get to know. Like while touching your geometry box, how your geometry box will be? Yes, it will be smooth. The surface of your geometry box will be smooth. And how you will get to know the rough texture children? Yes, by touching your slate. Some slates will be having a rough surface, no children? Yes. So by touching that we'll get to know the difference between the smooth and rough. Next, see children here, the children, they are enjoying, the girl is enjoying sitting on the pillow. So how the pillow will be? It will be very soft, no? So how do you feel when you sit on the pillow? You'll be very comfortable. Like our skin helps us to recognize the soft texture, no children? And see here the boy, he's sitting on a rock. See how he feels. It is very hard. Like you'll get to know the difference between while sitting on the pillow and while sitting on the rock. The rock will be hard and the pillow will be soft. So how will you get to know that? With the help of the skin here. With the help of the skin, we'll get to know whether it is soft or hard. Yes, next it is legs. So what can we do with the help of our legs, children? Yes, we will walk. See, the children are walking here with the help of their legs. So we'll walk with the help of our legs, we'll run with the help of our legs. And here see some children, they are jumping. They are jumping with the help of their legs. And see the girl, what she is doing? She is riding the bicycle. She is riding the bicycle with the help of her hands and legs. Okay, children. So you can also see and do different things with the help of your eyes, ears, nose, mouth, hands and legs. No, so you can also take a video depending on how you feel the things, and you can take a video and send it to us. Thank you.